Ever fantasized about transforming a lukewarm interest into an insatiable infatuation? Dive into the realm of psychological allure, where subtle yet potent strategies can elevate your presence from ordinary to utterly captivating. Prepare to decode the intricacies of attraction. No mystical spells, no enchanting brews, just 12 cunning psychological maneuvers designed to turn your crush's casual glance into a fervent obsession. Let's delve into these mind-twisting tricks that can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Imagine this: you walk into a room, your eyes meet someone across the way, and a magnetic pull begins to form. It's not just a spark, it's a blazing storm of infatuation that consumes their thoughts and emotions. Sounds like a plot from a romance novel? Think again. With these psychological tactics, you hold the power to control the tempo of someone's desire. Ready to become the maestro of their infatuation symphony? Let's explore these compelling strategies. Trick 1: the chameleon effect. Mimicry is more powerful than you might think. The chameleon effect is all about subtly mirroring your crush's gestures, speech patterns, and body language. By doing so, you're sending silent signals that say, "We're on the same wavelength." Studies have shown that people are instinctively drawn to those who reflect their own behaviors. Whether it's mimicking their smile, matching their posture, or adopting their conversational style, these subtle cues create an unconscious bond that draws them closer to you. Trick 2: posture power-up. Never underestimate the allure of confident body language. Standing tall and owning your space can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Posture power-up is about shedding the slouch and exuding self-assuredness. Research indicates that expansive postures, standing tall, shoulders back, taking up space, are perceived as signs of dominance and appeal. Contrast this with closed-off, hunched postures, which can signal insecurity. Elevate your confidence, and you'll elevate their interest in you. Trick 3: the name game. People have an innate fondness for the sound of their own name. The name game capitalizes on this by incorporating your crush's name frequently and naturally into your conversations. It's more than just flattery, it creates a sense of personal connection and importance. When you address them by name, it resonates on a deeper psychological level, making your interactions feel more intimate and memorable. Trick 4: secret club for two. Creating an exclusive shared world with your crush can forge an intimate bond. This trick, secret club for two, involves developing inside jokes, shared experiences, and private references that only the two of you understand. This sense of exclusivity and shared secrets fosters a connection that is both personal and alluring. It's about crafting a mini-universe where only you and your crush exist, making your bond feel unique and special. Trick 5: eye contact tango. The eyes are the windows to the soul, and the eye contact tango is about harnessing this to spark attraction. Holding their gaze just a fraction longer than usual can create a powerful connection. This doesn't mean a prolonged, uncomfortable stare, but rather a series of engaging, meaningful glances. Eye contact has the power to communicate interest and intensity, subtly kindling their feelings without uttering a word. Trick 6: talk therapy. Everyone loves a good listener. Talk therapy is about becoming the confidant they can't do without. By attentively listening to their stories and making them feel heard, you create a sense of validation and appreciation. People are naturally drawn to those who show genuine interest in their lives. Ask thoughtful questions, engage deeply with their responses, and become the person they turn to when they need to share their thoughts and feelings. Trick 7: the Benjamin Franklin bait. Here's a counterintuitive strategy: get them to do small favors for you. The Benjamin Franklin bait is based on a psychological principle that people tend to like those for whom they perform acts of kindness. This might seem strange, but asking your crush to lend you a book, help with a small task, or share their opinion on something creates a sense of investment and camaraderie. It's a subtle way of building rapport and making them feel more connected to you. Trick 8: positivity potion. A sunny disposition can be incredibly attractive. The positivity potion is about being the beacon of light in your crush's life. Laughter and a cheerful demeanor are infectious, and people are drawn to those who bring joy and positivity into their world. By maintaining an upbeat attitude and being the source of fun and happiness, you become someone they want to be around, elevating your status in their mind. Trick 9: touchy-feely tango. Physical touch can ignite a spark of attraction if used appropriately. The touchy-feely tango involves light, respectful touches that convey warmth and connection. A gentle brush on the arm, a playful nudge, or a friendly pat on the back can subtly enhance the feeling of closeness. It's crucial to be mindful of boundaries and ensure that your touch is always welcome and respectful. When done right, these small gestures can create a deeper, more tactile connection. Trick 10: Push-pull paradox. Playing a little hard to get can keep the intrigue alive. The push-pull paradox is about balancing availability with a hint of elusiveness. Being too readily available can sometimes lead to complacency. Instead, interspersing moments of accessibility with a bit of distance can make you seem more desirable. This approach keeps them guessing and maintains a sense of mystery, compelling them to pursue you more ardently. Trick 11: Twin telepathy. Finding and highlighting shared interests can create a strong bond. Twin telepathy is about discovering and emphasizing the similarities between you and your crush. Whether it's a shared hobby, a mutual favorite activity, or similar values, these commonalities build a foundation of comfort and compatibility. When your crush sees you as someone who mirrors their own interests and passions, it deepens their connection and interest in you. Trick 12: Show, don't tell. Actions often speak louder than words. The show, don't tell strategy is about demonstrating your feelings through meaningful actions. Rather than simply verbalizing your affection, do something thoughtful or special for your crush. Whether it's a surprise gesture, spending quality time, or going out of your way to help them, these actions convey sincerity and depth. Let your deeds communicate the affection that words sometimes cannot. Ethical use of psychological tactics. These 12 psychological tricks are powerful tools to enhance your appeal and deepen your connection with your crush. However, it's crucial to approach these techniques with integrity and respect. The goal is to foster genuine attraction and connection, not to manipulate or deceive. Use these strategies to bring out your best self and create meaningful relationships. Remember, the most enduring form of attraction is built on kindness, respect, and genuine connection. Bonus tip: build a community of charm. Share your favorite psychological trick in the comments below and join a community of like-minded individuals exploring the fascinating world of attraction and connection. Together, we can uncover the nuances of human psychology and enhance our interpersonal relationships. Go forth with confidence, charm, and an ethical mindset, and watch as the magic of these tricks unfolds. By adhering to these principles and understanding the subtle art of psychological attraction, you can captivate and enchant your crush in ways that are both powerful and respectful. Embrace these tactics with a playful spirit and an ethical approach, and you'll find yourself becoming a magnet for affection and interest.